we just got into Target and Chance is already throwing a fit. For what? I don't know. But if he continues to throw a fit, I'm going to leave and we're not going to get anything. So, yeah. That's that. I came in here for food. Dang, I left my card at home. That's what I left. Wow. But anyways, I came in here for food. I came in here for cleaning supplies. Obviously, I'm not going to get any food because I left my SIM card at home. But I look cute today. I'm going to show y'all. But these are my favorite pants from Zara. This is like my favorite combo. High-waisted and a crop top. My mama got me these boots. So yeah. It was cool, so I wanted to bring out the boots.
Hey, there's a bit. Hey, what's happening for? Bikes! A shoe
So this is what I got so far. I mean,
Fortnite!
Fortnite! So here are the Sonia Kashuk makeup brushes I was talking about in my Ulta haul and Target haul. I think this one. I think this one is the one I'm gonna get, or that's the one. I really don't like that one because how it's shaped. Why am I keep dropping everything? You know what? I'm done. I'm gonna leave it right there. But oh, and then got this. That look nice. Let's see what they got over here. This is what? Ooh, makeup brush and sponge shampoo. Oh, a shadow switching cleaner. That's nice. Oh, that's nice. These lashes are cute. I like the Sonia Kashuk. They're pretty expensive, but they do the damn thing. Yeah. Look at him just. Why you gotta do that? Why you gotta rip it up? Give me this. Give me this. Yeah, I'm in a hunt for more drugstore foundations. I don't know, but I really don't like liquid foundations like that. But yeah. Oh, they got that one too. I definitely don't have oily skin, but I want to try this. Oh my god, this is so pretty. I am a sucker for packaging because I would definitely buy this just because of the packaging. Like.
Get your hands
They spending their $5 finally. Now go, push it in.
I need a razor.
Get the money. Get your stuff. Got
Second.
Hershey.
Yeah, I got Hershey.
What you got?
I got pumpkin. I never had these in a long time. I'm about to get them.
Got some pizza.
That's the other one. Mom's slobbing. But you know how slobbing? You never had pizza in a long time.
Pizza here.
You don't get a tongue. Oh.
Hey y'all, so last time y'all see my face, we were at Target. I came home, I twisted my hair, took a bath, twisted Chan's hair, and now I'm about to clean it up because it's like a hot ass mess. I'm about to show y'all what I got from Target. I finally got this mop. I got some cute pillows. It was the last two. Some air freshener. Y'all stop running in here. Go sit down. Disinfectant wipe. I'm trying this Method brand. Some of that.
And some of this. Oh, there's a whole side there. Oh, it's really big, man.
Yeah, the Method brand.
Oh,
This is my absolute fave.
but this is big.
Tissue,
Big.
paper plate, toilet, and that is about it. And that shit was like $100. I need to start back couponing because
And
for
guys,
$100 I could have had way more stuff than this. Okay, so yeah. So me cleaning up is gonna be in the next vlog. If y'all wanna see me cleaning up, y'all definitely should. Go to the next one. Bye.